Alright guys, so she's slowly coming together. Actually picked up these all-weather floor mats, got some new keys made, put in this little radio, and one thing I noticed that was lacking was that I had a normal sound system in this car, no tweeters, no sub, nothing like that. So actually found out that the Forester XTs came with these sail pods and these tweeters right here from the factory. So I located a set for 40 bucks, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install them. All right, so the first thing you have to do is install the actual tweeter base into the sail pod itself. Couldn't be more simple. You just put this right here, put it right there, and it snaps right in. That's simple. This thing is pretty darn easy to get off. I could probably do it one-handed. Let me see if I can actually get it off just by hand. Almost. Man, it's really hot today. It's like 100 outside, 105. Let me see. Just hop this in here. I'm kind of trying to do this one-handed. Probably set up the tripod. Yep, there we go. I was able to pop it off. And what you'll notice right away is there is actually already the factory wiring assembly for it. So there's no wiring that you have to do. You just pop this little guy out, and I just broke it. Great. The cost of doing things one-handed. And let me set this up on the tripod so I don't break anything real quick. Hold on. All right, the tripod's set up. Now all you're gonna do is you're going to take this tweeter assembly. You're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Like so. It snaps right in. Then on the back side right here, you notice that it has these little clips that go into these rubber pieces right here. That's how it snaps in. So you just align those inside, get them kind of close, and then you press it in. It's that simple, guys. And now you have it. So let's check it out. There's the other one over there. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys.